I'm supposed to cut some kind of promo for this,
Yeah,
right?
good luck. I will not be offended if you scrap this whole thing as soon as we get off this call. I won't blame you.
What would I do? What would I even say? How would I put it together?
A promo for this?
Yeah.
I mean, here's my thought, which I've done this for something in the past. I can't remember what it was, but stack all the ads and play them all at once for a minute. And
No, we had some conversations about doing shit like that. Yeah.
yeah.
Maybe that's what I'll do. Like, here it is. Oops, all ads. It's just all of them at once.
Yeah, just unlistenable. It's so loud.
I guess I have to make the cereal box cover.
Yeah, you
I
could do
guess I
that.
have to do that. I was thinking about cutting us in, showing us, right, like a little bit of this video, but putting your talking worm
Oh yeah.
over you, right, and like I'm actually talking to the worm right now.
You can do that. I have a way higher quality animated one that I made for those commercials I made last year. They're really
Yeah.
big files, but I could send you that if you want.
Yeah, could you Dropbox them or something to me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll send it to you.
Yeah. See, we just did. This is how that's the promo for this episode.
Sponsored by Dropbox. Oh
Yeah.
man, so good.
Yeah, there we go.